What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today we're finna be replacing the fuel filter on my Mercury Grand Marquis. It's a simple task that can make your car run better, so let's get to it. Before we start replacing the fuel filter, we gotta relieve the fuel pressure, you feel me? For models between 1998 and 2002, you can depress the shredder valve pin on the fuel rail. But if you got a 2004, like this one, or newer, remove the fuel pump relay or fuse, then start the car, and wait until the engine runs out of fuel. If it doesn't start and there's no pressure in the fuel system, you're good. Before lifting up the car, if your Grand Marquis has air ride suspension, remember to switch it off inside the trunk. Now the fuel filter is located on the passenger side near the rear tire on the frame, close to the fuel tank. Loosen the clamp securing the fuel filter in place. If you're like me, you're probably missing the clamp, so remove the zip tie instead. Use a small picking tool or a flathead screwdriver and push out the retainer clip. If you got a 2006 model or later, you'll need a quick disconnect 5/16 tool to release one of the fuel lines. Make sure that the arrow is pointing towards the engine. Fuel may spill out, so make sure to have some towels or rags and a catch pan, just in case. Now that the old filter is out, let's install the new one. The fuel filter keeps contaminants out of your engine, maintaining performance and efficiency. It's recommended to replace every 20 to 30,000 miles. Once the new filter is in, reconnect the fuel lines and secure the clamp tightly. Turn the ignition to the on and off position 3 times to prime the system, then start the car. Check for any leaks around the connections, and if it's all good, then you're all good. And there you have it. That's how you replace the fuel filter on your Mercury Grand Marquis. Simple maintenance like this will keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.